Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Dr. N. Ratinakumar, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, SNS College of Technology. In this lecture series, we are going to see overview of creative AI application in various industries. In general, AI applications are a software programs utilizing the technologies like machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision to perform specialized tasks. It ranges from automation to cognitive reasoning. The key examples include generative AI tools, for an example, ChatGPT, then digital assistants, Gemini like that, then personalized engines. For an example, the Spotify is the best example for the personalized engines and fraud detection system. So these technologies are rapidly adopted across healthcare, finance, manufacturing to improve the efficiency, decision making, and user experience. So let us see one by one. The first one is the creative analogy. Artists create art, musicians create a music. How can AI be creative like a humans? These are basic questions. Uh, Let us see one by one. So what is creative AI? AI that produce creative contents. For an example, it generate art, it generate music, it generate text, it generate designs. So uses generative AI models and also it enhance the human's creativity. The key areas and examples of AI applications are generative AI and content creation, personalization and recommendations, and healthcare and diagnostic, and financial services. We'll see one by one. The next one is we are going to see why creative AI is an important. What is an important of creative AI? It reduces the creative effort, it speed up the content creation. This is a major advantage. Then it enables the innovation, of course. Then fourth one, it support multiple industries. So these are all some of the key points of the key points I have introduced here. There are many more key points are there. Yeah, creative AI in art and design. For an example, AI generated paintings, illustration and logos, digital art creation, graphics design automations. Many other examples are there. Here I have listed only the 4 examples for better understanding. If you want to learn more things, you can learn it. Before go for the next slide, I want to share a few points related to the examples of AI application. Generative AI and content creation. For example, tools like such as ChatGPT and it create a text, code, images, and another one is personalized and recommendation. For an example, algorithms used by the Netflix and YouTube and Spotify analyzes user behavior to suggest the contents. In a Netflix, if I see one movie, immediately when I open it again, the movies that is related to my history will show it. The similar content will show it based on my behavior. This is a best example for a personalization and a recommendation. Another one is healthcare and diagnostic. AI assist in medical imaging analysis, drug discovery, and predicting patients' outcomes. And also, it can also use in the financial services. For an example, AI powers fraud detection, automation trading, and risk management systems. Then finally, the transportation customer services. For an example, real-time traffic navigation. Google Map is a best example for a real-time traffic navigations. Autonomous vehicle technologies that is run based on that AI concept, and also the chatbots. If the customer send any query, it automatically responds to the query. Some of the chat boxes are predefined queries. It has a predefined queries. Some of the chat boxes are created. It can based on that user queries, it can respond. It depends upon the queries. It can respond. The next we are going to see creative AI in media entertainment. Yes, it can be used in music generation, script and story writing, video and animation creation, and game design support. Creative AI in marketing and advertising. For an example, ad copy generation, poster and banner design, social media content, then personalized campaigns. Yeah, creative AI in education. Yes, of course, it can be used in education also. AI generated learning content, visual explanations, story based learning, interactive teaching tools. So, whatever we have taken in the classes nowadays, we are using the concept of AI. It is also used in healthcare that I already discussed about that. It can be used in medical images analysis, drug discovery, and predicting the patient outcome. So these are all the main use of AI in healthcare. Challenges of creative, yes. These are all important challenges. Copyright issue, ethical concern, bias, then over dependence. So these are all some of the challenges. So whenever we go for a new technology, so these kind of challenges will arise automatically. We have to solve it. Yeah. This is a quiz I always asked at the end of the session to interact with the students. Thank you so much.